Igor Pro 10 can be used to control all parts of a scientific experiment. One option for controlling external instruments is to use the new MMI XOP that ships with Igor Pro 10. This XOP makes it easy to use micromanager APIs directly from an Igor procedure. This video demonstrates how to install micromanager and set up the MMI XOP in Igor Pro 10. Click on the blue question mark icon in the toolbar to open the Help browser. Under the Help Topics tab is the XOP index topic. Double-click it to open it, and then click again on the MMI link under XOPs and More Extensions. The MMI Help file has quick start instructions. I'll start by opening Windows Explorer and navigating to the Igor Pro 10 folder, More Extensions 64-bit, Data Acquisition, MMI. Select MMI 64 XOP, right-click, pick Show More Options, and then Create Shortcut. Click Yes to save the shortcut to the desktop. Next, I need to move the shortcut to the Igor Extensions 64-bit folder. I'll go up to the same level as More Extensions and open Igor Extensions. Then just drag the shortcut into this folder. Press Continue to accept the permissions request. If you do not have administrator privileges on your PC, you will need your network administrator to perform these steps. Close and reopen Igor Pro. With MMI XOP now activated, I have access to the MMI commands. The next step is to download and install micromanager itself. I'll copy and paste the MMI download command into the command window and run it. When it completes, the command history will say to run the MMI install command. I'll copy and paste that as well. After the micromanager installation is complete, Igor Pro needs to reopen again. Bring back up the Help and open the MMI demo experiment. This will open a new instance of Igor Pro and the experiment. The instructions are front and center, and the MMI Explorer control panel is already up. Next thing to do is to press Reset to initialize the panel. I'm going to choose the demo camera and then DC cam and load this device. All the way over to the right is a Loop Demo Cam button. This will run a quick demo of the camera control. Since it's a simulated device, the image is just noise, but it lets me know that MMI and micromanager are both installed correctly and interfacing with one another. I am now ready to use Igor to control the external instruments in my lab. The MMI demo is an example of a common use case for micromanager, automating control of a camera. It is intended to be extended and personalized by users to fit their device control needs. Please refer to the MMI documentation for more information.